Hey guys, it's Brooklyn again. Today I'll be teaching you how to make cool stuff out of slime. So first, cool thing. First you need one of these. Mommy, can you please get something for me tall so I can put this on? Because I can't see it when I'm doing it.
What? Oh.
Tall.
Put this thing upside down. Put it on there.
Well, and then it'll drip because it's dripping right now. So you can see my slime. It looks brown on camera, but it's actually purple. Nice sparkles. Next, press it on until you get that shape. And then after, what you're going to do is lift it. And if it's really hard, just ask someone else or you alternate. Then there. And then pull that side off. Pull that side. Pull the slime off. Of the thing, and you'll get that shape. Once you're after doing that, then you just grab your hand. It'll make really satisfying stuff. And now, I hate when this Then I'm gonna grab this. This is another not satisfying thing. If you think it's satisfying, comment down below. Now this. We'll pull it. And then do that, and then you're supposed to scrunch it, but this part of mine didn't work. See, that's why I hate when that happens. But I love this trick the most. What I did earlier. Mommy,
Ziggy, get down.
If this happens to you, comment down below too.
No matter what happens, secret agent always stays.
And I am so happy that I got 429 subscribers. Thank you.
I think it's Agent Tyrone. All clear, Agent Pablo. All clear, Agent Tyrone. Very sneaky, Agent Tyrone.
Thank you, Agent Pablo. But where's the third member of our team?
It's working. The trick is working.
Third member of
So
our
I'm going to put it on top like that, and then push it down. Then what you're going to do is take your hand, smush it over, and it'll make really cool sounds. But not to me. Mom, tomorrow do we have school?
What's that?
Tomorrow do we have school?
Yes.
There. So next, what we're going to do is stretch and do this if you want. I'm going to do it. fall. And then back. So that's it for all of the tricks is nice fun. So you can try it at home. Bye guys!